In this video, I'm going to show you some of the first steps I took to overseed my lawn. First, I mowed my lawn at the lowest setting, and then I dethatched my lawn using a dethatching rake. Stay tuned. So today is September 4th, and I'm finally going to begin my overseeding process. Now, right now my grass is pretty long. It has rained the past few days, and you want to cut it at the lowest setting on your mower, which for me is 1.5 inches. So first I'm going to cut it, and then the second thing I'm going to do is dethatch it with a dethatching rake. I have a small lawn. It's about 2,000 square feet, so this works for me. If you have a huge lawn, you may want to consider renting a dethatcher or even purchasing one. So that is my plan, and I will show you the results. Hi, so it's actually day 2 in my overseeding process because I had some technical issues with my mower. I think I overtaxed it by trying to cut really tall grass at the lowest setting, so I need to look into what's going on there. I was able to finish the job this morning, but now what I'm going to do is dethatch the lawn. And because I have a small lawn, I'm just going to use this rake here. This is the Groundskeeper 2 rake. Really good for dethatching. The prongs really look like the prongs on a dethatcher if you rent one at a Home Depot or someplace like that. If you have a large lawn though, you may want to consider renting or even purchasing a dethatcher. So I will be doing that next. So this is what it looks like right now. There's a lot of thatch. Some of the dead spots is actually weeds that I sprayed. I used Tenacity about 3 weeks ago, and I did do a second application about a week ago. So the Tenacity is still kicking in, doing its thing, killing the crabgrass and other weeds. And now I'm going to remove all this brown stuff, all this thatch, using my rake, or at least most of it. And that is my project for today. So I dethatched my lawn. It doesn't look good right now because there's a lot of dead areas from the sun. It's been a hot summer, from the disease that I had, and from the Tenacity that's killing the crabgrass. Some of that has started to turn brown. So in a month or so this will be different. It will look greener, thicker, better.